Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a very fast and easy chocolate mug cake. First of all, you're going to need your mug. After you get your mug, you're going to need your flour, and you're going to get 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of flour. Next, you're going to get your cocoa powder. And you're gonna get 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. 1, 2. After that, you're gonna get your sugar. You're gonna get 3 tablespoons of sugar. Then you're gonna get 1/4 of a teaspoon. Teaspoon, not tablespoon.
1/4 of a teaspoon
of baking powder. Okay. Next, you're gonna need salt, and you're gonna put just like a pinch. So like, maybe like that. Yeah, about that much. Then you're gonna get your fork, and you're gonna mix it. Once you mix all the powder together, it should look like that. Shoot. Sure you don't spill like I did. I am no chef, but I know that's wrong. Next, you're gonna start with your liquids. I'm using 2% milk, and you're gonna get 3 tablespoons of 2% milk, or any milk that you like. Then you're gonna get your vegetable oil, and you're gonna put 3 tablespoons as well. 1, 2, 3. 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then you're gonna get cinnamon, and you're gonna put a dash of cinnamon. So a dash of cinnamon, and then you're gonna mix it all together. Once you mix it good, it should look something like this. And we are not done yet. We need to get the lid of our vanilla, then we're gonna put it into our mug, and now we're done. We're gonna mix it in. Once you think it's all mixed in, you take the excess off of your fork. Then you're gonna put it in the microwave for 90 seconds. So 1 minute and 30 seconds. Once it finishes, then you're all done. You can add any toppings or icing or like whipped cream or something like that for a topping. Or you can just eat it like this. It's hot, so be careful. Best thing ever. Definitely recommend to try this at home. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for next week. I post every Friday. Let me know in the comments what videos I should make. So don't forget to like and subscribe and follow my TikTok.